Qadir al-Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala in Baghdad making wudu. This is narrated by Imam Abul Hasan Nuruddin al-Shatnufi al-Shafi'i radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who is a great Imam and Muqri of his time. He was a senior lecturer in Azhar University at the time when Imam Zahabi, right, we're speaking about about, say, we could say easily about 700-800 years ago, Imam Zahabi, the great Imam Zahabi, used to attend his classes. Where? In Egypt and Jami Azhar. He was a senior lecturer, a great authority. His kitab, Bahjatul Asrar, the most authentic kitab on the life and history of Huzur Ghaus al-Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza radiyallahu ta'ala states the status of Bahjatul Asrar as far as the biography of Sayyidina Ghaus al-Azam is concerned, holds that position as Bukhari Sharif holds in the field of hadith. All Sahih hadith in Bukhari and all Sahih narrations in Bahjatul Asrar. Right? He says that Ghaus al-Azam Shaykh Abdul Qadir al-Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala performing wudu. And suddenly he takes one of his wooden sandal and he screams aloud and he throws it, flings it in the air. The Khadim is watching, and if you throw something, the strength of your hand will take it to that height, and when that strength exhausts itself, that object was going to fall. Okay? But this sandal is like taking, like plane took off. Like a continuous power is carrying it. It didn't fall. And it eventually vanished from vision into the atmosphere. It's going on flight and vanished from the vision. And the time Sayyidina Ghaus al-Azam was in Jalal, in anger.